Alright folks, welcome to the show. Today we're diving deep into something critical if you are lacing up gloves in India, the top 5 boxing shoes you can get right now. If you're serious about your game, your shoes are fundamental tools. Get the right pair, and you're talking enhanced grip, explosive agility, and comfort. Get it wrong, and you're looking at sluggish movement or even an injury. We're breaking down 5 performance-focused boxing shoes available online in India. No fluff, just what works. Stick around till the end for my top value pick. Let's get into it. Kicking things off, we've got the Lordz boxing ring shoes. These are designed with one thing in mind, what you need in the ring or training. The full-length double-lasted midsole offers serious support, especially for your forefoot. This design backs you up during dynamic movements. Whether you're throwing combinations or pushing off for a power shot, these shoes help distribute pressure evenly. Maximum stability translates to confidence and force generation. They're designed for both practice and actual ring performance. The random color variants add a unique element. If you want a dedicated boxing shoe focused on performance, the Lordz are a strong contender. They're tools for the job, not just accessories. The price point is reasonable for specialized equipment. For the serious boxer, the Lordz boxing ring shoes are worth a look. They offer a solid foundation and support for your technique. Next up, the RXN boxing shoes, marketed for both men and women. They emphasize being lightweight, crucial for speed in boxing. RXN aims for maximum speed, allowing quick adjustments. The high top design provides essential ankle support. Good high tops give you stability, preventing sprains or twists. These RXNs take injury prevention seriously. They incorporate breathable materials to keep your feet cool. Comfort during grueling sessions is a big deal. The non-slip sole is non-negotiable for solid traction. You need solid traction for footwork drills and explosive movement. RXN balances comfort and function. Added cushioning helps with shock absorption and foot fatigue. The secure fit with options for laces or straps ensures support. The construction is durable, built to withstand serious training. Available in several colors and styles, they offer aesthetic options. The RXN unisex model is versatile, lightweight, supportive, and durable. It's a well-rounded package for fighters of all levels. Chapter 3. Nivea Men's Boxing Shoes, the budget-friendly bruiser. Budget is crucial for many, especially beginners. Nivea Men's Boxing Shoes deliver functionality without a premium price tag. They feature a breathable mesh upper for comfort during workouts. PVC synthetic leather offers lightness and durability. Inside, a die-cut EVA sockliner adds comfort and shock absorption. The flat heel promotes stability and a good connection with the canvas. The rubber outsole provides grip and flexibility for fast directional changes. The design resembles basketball shoes, offering ankle support and grip. Nivea shoes are great for beginners needing quality without a big financial commitment. They offer reliability and performance for those starting out. It's about getting your foot in the door with something reliable. Shoe 4, USI Universal Boxing Shoes, the workhorse for serious trainers. USI is known for gear that lasts, fitting the mold of durability and solid structure. The upper construction combines mesh and nubuck PU for breathability and toughness. The rubber sole emphasizes a strong grip for stability and effective movement. An anatomically shaped cut ensures a natural fit, reducing discomfort. These shoes are built for consistent, hard training. They're not the lightest or flashiest, but are built for longevity. Ideal for intermediate-level athletes needing reliable gear. The USI Universal Boxing Shoes prioritize functionality and long-term wear. They're a strong contender for those committed to their training. They embody the workhorse mentality, reliable and ready for more. These shoes are for serious trainers who need dependable equipment. They offer a solid foundation for consistent performance. Shoe 5, RXN Men's BX17, the balanced contender for consistent performance. RXN appears twice on this list, indicating they're doing things right. The BX17 model aims for performance, durability, and usability. The mesh upper provides breathability for comfort during intense workouts. The rubber sole with a wave pattern tread offers multi-directional grip. This design ensures confident movement control for quick changes in direction. The classic lace-up closure allows for a customizable and secure fit. The lace-up system provides reliable lockdown during high-intensity workouts. The RXN Men's BX17 is simple, effective, and durable. It's a great choice for consistent training routines or amateur bouts. It offers long-term usability and consistent grip. It's a solid, all-around performer without being overly specialized. The BX17 is a balanced option for reliable performance. The final bell, choosing your champion footwear. We've covered 5 of the best boxing shoes available in India, from dedicated ring warriors to versatile all-rounders and budget-friendly options. Your shoes are a massive part of your overall game. The best shoe for you depends on your needs, training style, and budget. Let us know in the comments which pair you'd trust for your next fight or training session. You'll find direct purchase links in the video description. If you got value out of this, hit like, subscribe to Top Best Shoes, and ding the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Train smart and fight hard. Peace.